Hi friends, welcome to my channel Plants and Birds. Friends, as we already discussed about different branches of horticulture. Now let us start learning about one of the branch of horticulture, that is olericulture or vegetable cultivation. In this series of olericulture, we are going to learn about the firstly about introduction, importance, problems of vegetable cultivation, classification of vegetable for successful cultivation of vegetables, and then we learn about cultivation of different tropical and subtropical vegetables in detailed form. With its introduction, in this video we will start about the introduction and importance of vegetable cultivation. Firstly, introduction of vegetable cultivation. Vegetables are defined as edible herbaceous plants or parts, plant parts consumed as raw, without cooking or after cooking, and rich in vitamins and minerals in low in calorific value. It must be noted here, which is not rich in calorific value but rich in vitamins and minerals. The edible plant parts which store up reserve food is in roots. The edible plants will store the food in roots, tubers, bulbs, stems, petioles, leaves, buds, flowers, fruits, and seeds, which are eaten either cooked or raw. Okay. Next, all vegetables belong to spermatophyta. Okay, and division 2, that is angiosperma. All vegetables belong to the group spermatophyta, and subdivision 2, that is angiospermy. But in gymnospermy, what is angiosperm, what is gymnosperm? One difference is, in angiosperm ovules are in an ovary, but in gymnosperm ovules are naked, not enclosed in the ovary. Okay, this is the main difference between the gymnosperm and angiosperm. Next, vegetables are integral part of balanced diet and are considered as protective foods. Okay, if you provide your body with all vitamins and minerals, then there is no chance of disorders, and chance of disease also less, so that they act as a protective foods. They have a prominent role in combating malnutrition in humans and other animals also. Okay, vegetables play a key role in neutralizing the acids produced during digestion of proteinaceous and fatty foods. One thing to be remember is, all the vegetables, except tomato, are neutral in nature. Neutral in nature. Okay, this must be remembered in our mind. Okay, except tomato is acidic in nature. Next, importance. What is importance of vegetable cultivation? What is the importance of vegetable cultivation? Why we want to cultivate the vegetables? This is the reason. Vegetables are also serve as source of energy. Okay, because some of the root vegetables will contain carbohydrates. Carbohydrates are the source of energy. Provide energy. Tuber vegetables like potato, sweet potato, tapioca, yams, all will have all are the source of energy. Deficiency, retarded growth. There will be a retardation in the growth. Okay, deficiency means that is retarded in growth. If it's carbohydrate deficiency occur, means there is a retardation in growth. Next, vegetables are rich and comparatively cheap sources of vitamins, that is vitamin A. Okay, vitamin A present in two forms. In animals it is present as retinol, and in plants it is present as beta carotene. Provides general health, which vitamin provides general health, that is vitamin A. Vitamin A is a fat soluble vitamin and not easily lost by cooking. Okay, best sources carrot. Okay, next, spinach, palak, drumstick leaves, leafy vegetables, and sweet potato and pumpkin. Sweet potato is also very rich source of vitamin A. Carrot, sweet potato, spinach, drumstick leaves, all are the pumpkin, that is yellow pumpkin, are rich source of vitamin A. And what happened if vitamin A is not sufficient to our body? Night blindness may occur, respiratory infections, formation of stones in kidney, rough skin, and growth. Okay, growth in children is retarded. Formation of stones in kidney and night blindness is very important deficiency disorders of vitamin A. And nextly, vitamin B complex. Vitamin B complex contains four main groups, that is thiamine B1 and vitamin B2, that is riboflavin, with niacin, that is vitamin B5, and pyridoxine, that is vitamin B6. Sources are peas, board bean, lima bean, garlic, asparagus, corns, tomatoes. So tomatoes are the important sources of vitamin B, and peas and board beans, all beans and garlic and tomatoes are the important. Okay, next, deficiency will occur means berry loss of appetite will occur, red colored mouth, that is cracks in the mouth will occur, and sore tongue will occur, that is pellagra, and ulcer are the main deficiency disorders of vitamin B complex. Next, vitamin C, essential for growth and resistance against diseases. This must be remembered. Vitamin C increases the immunity, that is essential for growth and resistance against diseases. Vitamin C, ascorbic acid, is a strong reducing agent and easily lost by cooking. Okay, vitamin C cannot be, vitamin C containing vegetables cannot be cooked. It must be eaten as raw. Okay, because it is lost as it is a water soluble and strong reducing agent, easily lost by cooking. Sources: turnip, green chili, and green leafy vegetables, bitter gourd and radish are the very important. Mustard are the important source of vitamin C. What is the deficiency? Important deficiency is scurvy, as we all know that scurvy is the important deficiency disorder of vitamin C, and other are bleeding gums and mucous membrane, cold, loss of energy, delay in wound healing. Okay, in wound healing is a very delayed. Loss of energy is also occurred. Okay, in this. And next, vitamin D, essential for bone and teeth. Sources: green leafy vegetables. Okay, vitamin D is very essential for bone and teeth. Okay, because vitamin D is essential for calcium absorption. Okay, next, sources. Okay, green leafy vegetables deficiency, bone and teeth weakness will occur, that is rickets. Okay, is the important deficiency disorder of vitamin D. Okay, next, vitamin is vitamin E, alpha tocopherol. Okay, acts as antioxidant, anti-sterility, and essential for reproduction. Okay, sources are cabbage, lettuce, methi, spinach, and vegetable oils are the important sources of vitamin E, and deficiencies, fertility is affected. Next, vegetables are also rich sources of minerals. Okay, calcium, important for bones, teeth, blood clotting, resistant against infection. Sources are amaranthus, cauliflower, drumstick leaves, lettuce, carrot, onion, peas, coriander, spinach, cabbage are the cabbage is important source of calcium. Deficiency, okay, irritability, retard growth, and bone weakness is occur. As you know that calcium is bones are made up of calcium. Okay, next, iron, essential part of red blood corpuscles. Okay, sources are moringa leaves. Okay, essential part of red blood corpuscles, and it is important for red blood cell production. Okay, sources are moringa leaves, amaranthus, methi, mint, coriander, drumstick, and spinach, all leafy vegetables mainly. Okay, deficiency occurs anemia, the loss of number of red blood cells. Pale, smooth tongue and pale lips will occur. Next, phosphorus, cell multiplication, proper maintenance of liquid content in the tissue. These are the important functions of phosphorus. Okay, sources are potato, carrot, tomato, cucumber, spinach, cauliflower, lettuce, onion. Okay, potato, carrot, and tomato are the important sources of phosphorus, and onion also. Deficiency, retarded growth is a okay, because cell division will be stopped, so that the growth is retarded. Cell multiplication is stopped means then growth is retarded. Next, tender fruits of okra, this is important, contain iodine. Tender fruit of okra means bendi, that is okra, which is essential for prevention of goiter disease. Okay, onion and garlic contain sulfur compound which are effective for controlling of blood cholesterol, so prevent heart disease and diabetes. They possess antibacterial property also. Okay, onion and garlic. Roughage, cellulose and fiber. Okay, roughage means cellulose and fiber, add digestion and prevent constipation. Okay, without cellulose and fiber, what the foods we will take, it will does not digest easily because of this. Okay, because of there is no cellulose and fiber. If cellulose and fiber is there in our food, then add digestion and prevent constipation. Sources are leafy vegetables, cabbage, spinach, lettuce, and most root crops are the source of refuge. Deficiency, indigestion, and constipation. Bitter gourd contain keratin. This is important to be noted here. Okay, for diabetes patients. Okay, bitter gourd contains keratin, which is having effect against diabetes. Keratin. Okay. This is important to be noted. Coli crops have anti-carcinogenic properties, offer protest against bowel cancer. Okay. Tender foods of okra contain iodine, against which is essential for prevention of goiter disease. And next, bitter gourd contain keratin, which is essential, which is having effect against diabetes. Okay, this is important to be noted. Next, net returns per unit area is more. Okay, per unit area net returns will be more. Role in agroforestry, a number of vegetables are found in to be most suitable for growing as an intercrop along with the trees during early stage, that is up to 5 years of plantation. Employment generation is occurred and crop intensity index is more. Okay, this is very important to be noted here is, okay, indicates the number of times a field is utilized for growing crops in the year. Okay, that is CII, in crop intensity index is equal to gross cropped area by net area. If you have 10 acres of land, in the 10 acres how many times you used that land? Okay, wait, I will explain with the example. Into 100. Okay, the cropping intensity depends upon the duration of the crop. Okay, okay, if you take the example, if you have 10 hectares of land, in the 10 hectares in season, you have 3 seasons. Okay, Kharif, Rabi, and summer. Okay, in you started your okay, so in summer season you planted tomatoes and watermelon in 4 hectares. In tomato planted is 4 hectares and 5 hectares of watermelon in summer. Okay, your total you have 10 hectares of land. In that 4 hectares you have planted the tomatoes and 5 hectares you have planted the, okay, the watermelon. Next Kharif season you replaced the tomato with okra and you decreased watermelon field. Okay, you have first planted 5 hectares of, okay, tomato. 4 hectares is replaced with 4 hectares of okay, okra, and next 5 hectares of is now the only 4 hectares is put that onion. Okay, or not onion, not wait, chili. Okay, you will take chili. Okay, chili. Okay, okra and chili. He grown okra and chili in next what, Kharif season. And next Rabi season. In Rabi season you replaced that what, okra with onion. Okay, okra with onion, that is what, 4 hectares okra with onion, and remaining again you started cultivation of tomato, that is in 5 hectares. Okay, now what is the total land you have in first in 1 year of age? You have total land of 10 hectares. How much you utilize it? See, okay, in season 1, that is summer season, you utilize 9 hectares. Okay, 4 hectares for tomato and 5 hectares for watermelon. This what is, this is 9 hectares. Next 9 plus, next what, in Kharif season you utilized 4 hectares for okra and 4 hectares for chili. Okay, this how much, 8 hectares. Okay, 9 plus 8, 17 plus utilized in Rabi season. Okay, 4 hectares of what that, what vegetable told, you take brinjal. Okay, 4 hectares of brinjal and next in 5 hectares of tomato again. Okay, now you utilize 9, 17 plus 9. Okay, how much, 26. Okay, 26 divided by 10, 260 into 100, that is 260. 260% utilized, that means more than 80% of land utilized every season, in every season, that is the crop intensity index. Okay, that is crop intensity index is more in case of vegetables. But when you have paddy, you have only 2 seasons, without there is no other vegetables, only some, only that will be grown for 2 seasons only, and the crop intensity is low. Okay, so that for vegetables crop intensity index is very high. Next, the cropping intensity depends upon duration of the crop. This is important to be noted. If the you have put it onion in summer, means it will takes 2 seasons for completion of its life cycle. Okay, 2 seasons. The plant will not covered in second, okay, second season. Okay, what in first season, if you put in summer 4 hectares of onion, then in next in kharif season also that 4 hectare will not come under the, next cultivation, because it is already occupied for 2 seasons. Okay, so that your land is decreased, only remaining only 5 hectares only, we must have another crop. Here 5 hectares only, in the next remaining 4 hectares has decreased, so the cropping intensity will decrease. So that duration of crop also makes the depends the crop intensity depends upon also crop duration of the crop. Okay, this is important to be noted. Aesthetic values of vegetables. Okay, next, role in Indian economy. According to 2019, okay, India, that is the second largest producer of vegetables next to China in the world. That is 14% we are producing in the world. Okay, vegetables. Okay, next, vegetables area in India is 10.35 million hectares is a vegetable area in India according to 2019. Okay, the present production of vegetables in India is 191.77 million metric tons according to 2019-20 by National Horticulture Board. National Horticulture Board. This is important to be noted here. Okay, next, what is recommended dietary allowance? We will see. Okay, what the ICMR, that is Indian Council of Medical Research, okay, recommend adults to take the vegetables. Okay, what is the recommendation rate? Okay, RD of vegetables by the ICMR for adults is 295 grams per day. Okay, 295 grams per day. In that, in 295 grams, 125 grams of leafy vegetables we must take. Okay, and 85 grams of root and tuber vegetables, and 85 grams of other vegetables, and 40 grams of dietary fibers must be contained for digestion and to stop the constipation. Okay, present availability of vegetables per day is about 145 grams only in India. Okay, there must be nearly 100, more than 100 grams difference is the, so that vegetable cultivation is more, okay, have more scope in upcoming days because of increasing population, but there is not availability of recommended dietary allowance. Okay, we have more scope for vegetable cultivation. Okay, in 295 grams only 145 grams are more than 100 grams. I think how much more than 140, okay, 140 grams nearly is not available. Okay, 140 grams is not available to the adults in per day. Okay, not 140, wait. Yes, 140. Okay, this is about the introduction, and okay friends, this is about the introduction and importance of vegetable cultivation. Friends, subscribe my channel and press the bell icon for getting notification of my video and to increase your knowledge on agriculture and horticulture. Thank you friends. Bye.